Reading is one of the most fundamental skills a child can develop. It builds communication, critical thinking, and creativity. But how can we effectively teach children to read? In this guide, we'll explore simple and effective steps to make learning to read an enjoyable experience. Step 1. Build pre-reading skills. Before children can read, they need to develop early literacy skills. This includes recognizing letters, understanding that words are made of sounds, and developing a love for books. Read aloud to children every day, pointing to words as you read to help them connect spoken and written language. Singing nursery rhymes, playing with letter blocks, and engaging in storytelling also strengthen these skills. Step 2. Teach letter recognition and phonics. Introduce letters and their corresponding sounds systematically. Start with uppercase letters, as they are easier to distinguish, and gradually move to lowercase. Use phonics to help children associate letters with sounds, such as B makes the B sound. Encourage them to trace letters, use flashcards, and play phonics games to reinforce their learning. Step 3. Blend sounds to form words. Once children recognize letters and their sounds, teach them how to blend those sounds together to form simple words. Start with consonant-vowel-consonant words like cat or dog. Encourage them to sound out each letter and then blend them together. Magnetic letters and interactive reading apps can make this process more engaging. Step 4. Introduce sight words. Some words do not follow phonetic rules and need to be memorized. These are called sight words, such as the, said, and you. Introduce a few at a time using flashcards, word games, and repetition. Sight words help children recognize words instantly, improving reading fluency. Step 5. Read simple books together. Choose books with simple sentences, repetitive phrases, and pictures that support the text. Encourage children to read aloud, helping them sound out words when needed. Ask questions about the story to develop comprehension skills and reinforce their understanding. Step 6. Encourage daily reading practice. Regular reading practice is essential. Set aside time each day for reading, whether it's a bedtime story or independent reading time. Visit the library, provide a variety of books, and let children choose stories that interest them. A positive reading environment fosters a lifelong love of learning. Step 7. Be patient and supportive. Every child learns at their own pace. Offer praise and encouragement to build their confidence. If they struggle with a word, guide them gently instead of correcting them immediately. Creating a stress-free and supportive learning environment will help children develop their reading skills with confidence. Teaching a child to read is a rewarding journey that requires consistency, patience, and encouragement. By following these steps, you can help them become confident and enthusiastic readers. Thanks for watching! If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun learning tips.